Hi everyone, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. We have a 2014 Nissan Pathfinder SV. It's a 3.5 liter engine. The customer's concern is they're going 70 miles an hour on the freeway and they hit the brakes and the steering wheel goes like this and the brake pedal shakes. And I'll show you what I found out. I verified it by test driving the vehicle on the freeway myself, and then I put a dial indicator on the front brake rotors to make sure they're not warped. And you're allowed to have 3/1000 of an inch run out is the max. So we're going to spin it around here. Okay, there's 0. And we've got a little over 4, almost 5/1000 of an inch run out. So go around again, do it again. About the same. The maximum you're supposed to have, you want to have 0 or 1/1000. That's how all the jobs come out of here when they leave. But we're close to 5/1000 of an inch run out, and it's going on the other side of the 0 a little bit. So it's going to be more than likely going to be the same on the other side of it. And then I found out these dust boots have some guide pins, and they're supposed to be lubricated, and the grease looks really old inside of there, like no one's lubricated it for a long time. Okay, now we'll move on to the back. Someone's changed the back rotors. There's supposed to be a plastic rubber plug that goes here, because this is where you adjust the parking brake shoes inside of here. These brake pads are also worn out. It's hard to see. When the pad gets as thick as the material it's made to, it's just about worn out. And there's a pretty good shot in there. So it's almost to that point. Then if you look up here, you can see this guide pin. And where this pin is, you can see a little lip right there. That's where this boot's supposed to be. So this is all dry. They're supposed to be greased like in the front ones. So it's all dried out inside here. They didn't get these boots back on all the way. This bottom one is the same way. So it's going to need a rear brake job real soon also. So the pad thickness is in between the the yellow and the red. So it's just about worn out. Okay, what caused all that to happen? It's a cheap brake pad. This is a generic pad. It's just a poor quality. The reason I know it's generic, for one, it doesn't have the factory shims. These are the factory shims that come on there. This is a Nissan brake pad. It's quite a bit different. So it's just a better build. It's a better part. These are usually ceramic and they're super hard, and that's what warps the rotor. And then I used a company called DFC. They make a good carbon alloy brake rotor, and that's what I'm going to put back on it. So you got to be careful when you use these aftermarket parts, these generic parts. So you got the brake pads for $40. It ruined the front rotors. Now you got to redo all the brakes. But it's a good thing because we're putting the proper stuff the vehicle came with on it. We're making it like brand new again. It's going to have the brakes just like it did when the car came off the showroom. Then they'll come back next month and we'll correct the problem with the rear next month. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day.